Yes.
I once read that you just mentioning this. Allah gives and forgives, man gets and forgets. My question is that given the nature of the man that he forgets, and if we forget that, how we can get clear of that?
Make zikr. You're not going to forget. Be with people who remember. Be with the Ahli Zikr. Not to read about it, not to even make zikr by yourself, but make zikr the way that the people of remembrance, then you will remember. Make zikr with the people of remembrance who make zikr, remember the way they remember, think the way they think, pray the way they pray. You will get that perfume from them, even if you smell very bad, but you will get that perfume from them and you smell good. You understand? It is all about sohbat. It is all about association. Our tariqat is about association. Association with who? Ahli Zikr. And whatever that the Ahli Zikr they do, it is zikr. If they are sitting and talking, the Ahli Zikr, if they're sitting and talking, their talking is zikr. Their working is zikr. Their laughing is zikr. Their sleeping is zikr. We experience that with Shaykh, don't we? Huh? Everything they do, they are remembering Allah. They're not remembering Allah, they are with Allah. And they're making us to remember Allah and to remember the Prophet ﷺ. And it is nice. It is beautiful because you don't have to do so much. You don't have to go collecting the smells, refining the smell so that it becomes a perfume. Because everything that we smell that is nice, some comes from sources that's not so nice. And you have to make it to become nice. Some come from sources that doesn't smell anything at all, and you have to gather millions to crush it and to get the smell. A lot of work that you have to do to get that perfume. But Allah is saying you don't have to be the perfumer. Just sit with the people that have that perfume and you will take their smell. What a lot of mercy. This is especially for the ummah of His most beloved one, not for the earlier nations. Okay.